We all want to be happy. Happiness is one of the most common goals most people wish to achieve when asked. But what is happiness? It's a feeling of joy and contentment. It happens when you feel good and satisfied with your life. Or, in simple terms, happiness is when your heart feels light and you feel good about yourself and your life. So, how can we achieve it? Simple. Happiness can come from doing things you enjoy, being with people you love, or achieving something important to you. But why does it seem so hard to achieve it? Well, here comes the most tricky part that most of us get wrong. We attach our happiness as a price to our final goals. Whether it's about buying a dream car or a home, getting our favorite job, or getting into a relationship with a person we love, we believe that only and only by achieving our goals, we would be able to unlock our happiness. As if we are in a game, and our happiness is the final treasure we are gonna unlock if we clear the level. They sacrifice so many chances where they could unlock their small moments of happiness, but they ignore it, running after their ultimate goals. Although there isn't anything technically wrong with this theory, most of the people who actually live according to this concept live a pretty miserable life. There is nothing wrong in chasing goals. In fact, having a goal that gives your life meaning is the ultimate source of constant happiness. However, blindly running after a goal while ignoring everything else meaningful in your life isn't the right way to chase your goals. The key here is to learn how to be happy, no matter where you stand in your journey. The truth is, happiness is all about perspective. The way we view our circumstances, experiences, and the world around us significantly shapes our happiness. Take, for example, a rainy day. One person might feel gloomy and frustrated because their outdoor plans are ruined, while other might feel happy and cozy, enjoying the sound of rain and the opportunity to stay in and read a good book. Our perspectives are influenced by our past experiences, beliefs, and attitudes. Imagine a person who lost his job. Initially, they might feel devastated and view it as a significant setback. However, if they shift their perspective and see it as an opportunity to explore new career paths or to develop new skills, they might find a sense of excitement and possibility instead. Another example of it would be a glass with water filled halfway. Some people might see it as half empty, focusing on what's missing or what they don't have. Others might see it as half full, appreciating what they do have and feeling grateful. This simple example illustrates how the same situation can be interpreted in two completely different ways, leading to different levels of happiness. Our perspective shapes our reality. When we focus on the positives and what we can be thankful for, we tend to feel happier and more content. On the contrary, if we constantly dwell on the negatives and what's lacking, we can never become happy or satisfied. Okay, so if it's all about perspective, can't we just learn to change it and be happy forever? The simple answer to this is yes, we definitely can. How can we do that? By simply focusing on the positive part rather than the negative. When we reframe our thoughts to see the good in a situation, we often feel a sense of relief and gratitude. If you're in a bad situation, instead of thinking about why it happened to you or blaming the situation on others, simply accept the fact that bad days are part of life and things could have been even worse. This simple shift in thinking can turn a frustrating experience into a pleasant one. Besides this, changing our perspectives help us to appreciate what we have rather than lament what we lack. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, such as relationships, achievements, or small daily joys, we can boost our mood and feel more content. This practice not only makes us happier at the moment, but also trains our minds to adopt a more positive outlook over time, leading to sustained happiness. Believe it or not, the key to happiness is always in our own pockets. We just need to learn how to be happy. Some people are born with this ability, while some, unfortunately, have to learn it. Our moments of happiness are everywhere. From the time we wake up to the time we go to sleep, there are dozens of happy moments we miss just because we don't know how to identify them. Doing very little things like being grateful for what we have, because there is always someone who is dreaming of living our life. By reframing the negative thoughts into positive ones, by always focusing on the positive rather than the negative, by surrounding ourselves with positive people, we can instantly become a much happier person than we were yesterday.